What's up, guys? It's Snap on Wednesday. Let's go to the truck. Snappy's here. Snap on is here. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck, it's raining like a son of a bitch. All right. Tyler.
Heidi-ho, neighbor.
Good afternoon.
How are you today, sir?
Oh, it's rainy. It's a good day today. It's a good day today.
Despite the rain.
Yeah. So, what's going on?
Fixing tools.
Oh, it's a Blue Point, that's why.
Nah. Jesse rounded off
Oh.
the lock nut, so. We fix.
Yeah. Oh, you got a demo. You got a demo for this thing now.
Yep.
That's cool. That thing's pretty strong then. That's good. Oh, maybe not.
Well, it's strong enough. I can't imagine when you're doing brakes, you're going to stand there doing that. But
Yeah. That's cool.
it certainly makes life easier. Although I wish it had come out 20 years ago.
Oh yeah, no doubt. I'm sure everyone thinks the same thing. I like it. I'd have it if I did lots of drum brakes, but I don't. What's that?
Thin wall impact socket.
Ooh. That's new. Is it?
Not really, no. Not very new, but
Huh.
mostly unknown.
Yeah, I didn't even know that they made them. You selling that to somebody?
Nope. I just brought it in and I put it there to remind myself to tell people that it exists.
What is that? SIMMF21A?
Yeah, 21 mil.
21, yeah. Huh. So can you
And
get
it's-
those in a set, or is it
Yes.
just like tire
Yeah, no, you can get a set of
lug
them.
nut sizes? Okay.
I
That's
brought
cool.
that one as a demo. The 21 mil is popular for lug nuts.
Yeah. That's yeah, I'd say that's probably just as thin as the chrome socket, eh?
Yeah,
Wow. That's good.
but far less chance of it shattering and
Yeah, for sure.
tearing you to shreds.
Chrome stripping off and then cutting your fucking finger apart. I've had that happen. It's not good. It's not a good day. What's that?
Not made by Snap-on, but a fabulous tool nonetheless. That's a U-joint puller. Tiger Tool specializes mostly in heavy duty and medium duty tools.
Okay.
They got lots of different ones. That's the automotive U-joint puller.
That thing's nice.
Instead of clamping something in a vise and smashing it with a hammer.
Yeah. Can you do that in car?
You
I'm
could.
trying to think of an application for that. Like how my mind's not letting me think of it. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, you join. Oh yeah, fuck it. Yeah, no, brain fart. Holy
I was gonna
shit.
say,
That is awesome, actually.
pictures speak 1,000 words.
Yeah, I get it. That's an interesting tool.
Based out of Chilliwack.
Really?
Yep.
So it's local. That's awesome. Good info for the viewers. Oh, there you go. Oh, well. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I got my gauge, and you can show everyone the toolbox.
What's that?
We can show everybody the new tool. Well, not the new toolbox, but the Hutch on the toolbox now.
Oh, you have not done that yet.
New.
Oh,
No,
the
that's
official
today.
unveiling.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, that'll be a hit for sure.
Yeah. Well, I should probably get back in the shop then, because I'm sure I'm needed. So, anyway,
Peace out, fellas
see you guys.
and ladies.
All right, let's go inside. You guys have waited too long. Check it out, guys. Ho, ho, ho. The Hutch is in and on, and the lighting's installed. Anyway, let's start the video. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Well, you saw the truck stuff, but that's not what's important today. It's this. So I finally got my Hutch. I came in on Monday, so I came in and got it all set up. I had to take my stainless top off. I'll show you a little bit of video of that too, of putting on the Hutch and everything. But so I took off the stainless top. It is now sitting over here on my bench, and the lights came in today, so I've been running with it like a black fucking hole for the last 2 days. What did I get off the truck today? Well, besides this, oh, the lighting. Oh, it's remote operated. That's pretty cool. I'll share the part number of it with you. I had to replace my gauge, my vacuum gauge for my vacuum filler. This thing's like 20 bucks, just so you guys know. There's a part number for it, SVT SRAD 2726, and it's the gauge. I don't know what happened to it, but I use this thing like every fucking day, and this is where it's sitting now, just like that. I think it dropped it, or someone might have used it. I don't know. But the glass was all bent out of it one day, and the back of the gauge was all bent. And then when I went to put it back together, well, it's reading over 5 pounds. So, or 5 inches of vacuum at any given time. So that's not good. So I got to replace the. Oh, come on. Anyway, so I got to replace the gauge. That's good. So I got that. I got a new black cover for the lock. I've shared the part number with this before. It's K1LCAPBLK, and so that goes on here. I changed the tumblers over today. The Hutch comes with an extra tumbler. Still working on. I got to put my screen in the back. I want to get rid of the stand, so Tyler's looking into some kind of bracket or whatever, some shelf or whatever that I can do that with. So other than that, that's pretty much it. As well as if you guys can see that Snap-on sign behind me, that was a gift from a subscriber. Came in for me about a month ago. I was waiting to get the Hutch so I can put it on. So I let him know that it's in there. I showed him a picture of it yesterday. Curtis, thank you very much for the gift. It was awesome. Fits perfectly in here. I really, really like it. And with the light off, it just looks killer. So awesome. Yeah. So thanks again, Curtis. That was awesome of you. I really do appreciate fan mail. I love it. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I will be starting on my updated Toolbox tour at some point this month. The stainless top comes probably in about a month, and then we will do another video as far as that top and putting the Hutch back on it and all that stuff, so that'll be fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Oh my god, this thing's heavy. That's what she looks like, just like that. Looks really nice. I'm in love, absolutely in love. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I got a fucking Hutch. Oh, Snap on Monday. Oh, let's open this thing up. Let's do it. Well, eh? That looks nice. I gotta get my top off. We're gonna swap it. We're gonna put the top over onto that bench because obviously my top's not gonna let the hutch sit on top of it. So we're gonna move that over there, and then we're gonna get this on my box. So let's open it up and have a look. Top box is cleaned off. Old mats on there for now. I got the stainless top over on there, and we just gotta grab that big boy, put her on there. I assume it's not that easy. So we're gonna give it a try. Get a couple of guys. We're gonna do it. So be right back. Now I just gotta set it up a little bit temporarily, I guess. It's not completely done. Obviously it's missing the top, but yeah, fucking nice, eh? Looks good.